Hey, hi guys, my name is Mario Medina from Las Rocas Resort Spa, and today I make a champurrado or Mexican atole. It's super easy to make it. I have the ingredients for you guys, and today I have milk, cinnamon, I have a maseca mixed up with water. I use like 1 cup of maseca and 1 cup of water, regular sugar, chocolate, spatula, and pot. It's super easy to do it. So I like to invite you guys to see the next recipe. Now you know the ingredients, let's go to make the atole, guys. Okay guys, from Baja Window to the south, so Medina Baja flavors have a Mexican atole. It's super easy. So start to turn it on the pot. There you go. Now it's easy. You add the milk. I put 2 liters of milk. I put like 2 ounces of cinnamon. I put the chocolate bar. I put the sugar. Take 2 cups of sugar. Now don't forget, so you need to start to move the milk. But don't forget, every 10 minutes, come back and start to move it. Move it, move it, move it. Every 10 minutes, because the other way, the milk start to burn it in the bottom. So you need to constantly move it. Let's go to see the maseca. Maseca is when you make tortillas, it's masa. I add sugar, I add a little bit water, and when that one is start to boiling, so you add this one really easy. So, but it's later. Okay, so now, because I'm waiting for the amazing champurrado, so today I make the buñuelos, accompanying the buñuelos, the traditional buñuelos or fritters in English, but you want to use it flour, sugar, and warm water with cinnamon and cloves. It's super easy, so let's go to see, guys. Let's go to make it. Oil, so a pot, it's super easy. Let's go to make it. So, okay, now Christy, my sous chef, she start to make it the buñuelos. So she add already the flour, water, warm water. Don't forget it's warm water. We no super hot, no cold. So between hot and cold. Remember, you make it up with your hands. So be careful. If you put really hot, it's a little bit dangerous for you. So she add more flour. Remember, in the water she put cloves and cinnamon. Okay, guys. So now check up the color. Check the chocolate. It's already dissolved in the milk. So now you can add the maseca with water. So it's like make a atole, champurrado. It's easy. There you go. And remember, don't forget, you need move with the spatula from the bottom and wait in another 10 minutes and start to make amazing champurrado. Check, this baby is ready. I like that. So I turn it off, and now Christy, she make the buñuelos, the amazing buñuelos pairing with this champurrado. Check this out. Check our chef de cuisine Christy. She make a traditional Mexican buñuelos. This recipe is from her family from long time. So she put something special in this warm water. So I can't tell you because it's a secret from her family, but it's amazing. You need to try it in house, or you need to come to Las Rocas and enjoy with us. Okay, guys, so now after she make a beautiful buñuelos, so and I make a perfect pairing with the buñuelos Mexican champurrado for special for Christmas. It's amazing, it's easy, and it's super traditional. Okay, so now, Christy, cheers, salud. Don't forget, guys, if you want to try these amazing recipes, traditional recipes, follow my recipes in Baja Window to the South, Medina Baja Flavors, con mucho sabor. A ver, ahora sí.